If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today, as you can see by the title of this video, we are taking down Christmas decor in my foyer as well as in my dining room. Now my dining room, I am trying to move furniture around, so I'm not doing what we call a full clean with me. I am going to straighten it out so it doesn't look a mess. I'm not going to redecorate. I'm just taking down the Christmas decor in this video and putting it away. So if that's something that you're interested in, if you need motivation like me and you have taken down your Christmas decor, please make sure you watch this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. So these items were outside, of course, and they are so glittery. I mean, the glitter was ridiculous on this, and I was trying not to get it on my clothes, but it had so much glitter, of course, it got on my floor. I was trying not to just get it everywhere. I was trying to shake it too much, but it just had... Whoever put the glitter on here did their job, okay? Because the glitter was ridiculous. But I did like the decorations, and I would say that if you are looking for decor for outside, I believe I got these from Amazon, and they were a decent price, and they didn't break the bank, and they did their job. They held up very well. The only thing that I'll say that I had to do with these pieces was I had to take those tags that you have to the tag ties, and literally, try my best to tie them together even more, because although they were supposed to be sticking in the little holes that comes with it, it does not necessarily do a good job. So make sure you have some ties in order to make sure you keep your stuff up. So I did have to use quite a few of those, but other than that, this did very well throughout the holiday season, and I'm very happy with it. I do want to add more decor for my holiday season coming up for, now we can say, this year, and I think this year I would like to add some lights. My husband has been looking at permanent lights, so I'm looking at doing lights, because he did not put up lights this year, and possibly one of those door what do you call those, garland, where it covers the entire arch of my porch, because my porch is very small. But anywho, I just wanted to tell you guys that. So I'm going to be taking down now. I'm going to put this up, put it up so my husband can do it, because that's all going to add it. And now I'm taking down all the stuff that was in my foyer. I was really happy with my little trees I got from Michael's. I mean, the aesthetic that it has once the trees are lit up at night was gorgeous, and I was really happy with it. I wasn't trying to over decorate my home this year, but I think what I did this year was beautiful, and I was extremely happy with it. The only thing different for me is I don't feel like I enjoyed it as much, not because we didn't have it up for a nice amount of time. I just don't feel like I enjoyed it as much because I don't feel like I was so much in the Christmas spirit this year, but that's okay. Hopefully this year coming up will be better, and I will enjoy Christmas even more. So you can see where my husband started to move the hutch, and I told him that I needed to take all the dishes out before he completely tries to move it. That way my stuff doesn't break. But we didn't get a chance to do it yet. Well, I didn't get a chance to do it yet. But we're going to move it to the wall here on my left. I'm going to take those pictures down, and then I'm going to be moving those pictures to the back wall. I'm thinking before I put them up, though, I would like to do, what do you call that? Some wallpaper to give it a color, just like a color. I'm thinking I want to do some wallpaper, and then I'm also going to add some curtains in here as well. I just want some sheer white curtains in my dining room. I don't want too much of anything else. I really just like the sheer white curtains because I do like I like the open window concept, basically meaning that I like the lighting that comes through. But I really have been wanting to put some curtains up. And again, I may not add them because I don't mind the blinds. The blinds don't bother me at all. I may just put some curtains on each side. But other than that, there's not much more that I want to do to my dining room. I do want to get another table on the right hand side. You see that table? We've had that table for years, and it's on its last leg, and it's time to replace it. But for right now, I'm gonna let it continue to fake it till it makes it, and eventually I'll replace it. I'm thinking on replacing it with something this cream color, like my chair cushions, something more of a cream color like that. I'm thinking of replacing it with something like that, but we'll see.
I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Thank you so much for sticking with me. I hope that you all have an amazing day, evening, or night. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a good one.